the federal tax credit for the $8,000 for first-time home buyers. I'm sure many of you have heard that the tax credit can actually be used for closing costs, to help offset the buyer's closing costs. How many of you have heard that?
I've heard it.
You heard it, okay. What we're finding out is that the details are so intricate that it's going to be difficult for the banks to actually get that accomplished. What you'd have to do is you'd actually have to write a note. The bank would have to get an executed note from the buyers for that amount, and then they would have to call that amount once the taxes have been refunded to them, and then they pay it off that way. The problem with that is that no bank right now wants to guarantee that amount because what happens if they buy the house and then they lose their job? They definitely won't be paying the income taxes that would give them the refund or be able to make the payments on the house either. So it's kind of a catch-22. We're still trying to figure it out. It's somewhat unlikely that that's going to happen. But again, it's another thing about Hope for Homeowners, where we're coming out with all these great programs, we're going to get them to work, but in actuality they don't work. Or the finance properties, where the restriction is put in place by a higher level, but somebody else is implementing the program. So just educate your buyers that everything that they see in the media might not be true. Who would have thought? What? The media has a great story they want to pass on, but it might not actually work.